apply for a professional license. Log in with your username and password. Click here. Enter your personal information.
Wait for management approval. This may take up to 3 business days.
Log in again after your application has been approved. Select New Professional License. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Enter your personal information.
Enter information as per your passport.
Enter your contact information.
Upload a passport-size photograph.
Upload a copy of your passport. Click Next to continue. Search and select the professional title you are applying for. Enter the name of your employing facility. Add your education details.
Upload your degree. Upload documents related to the same degree.
Repeat the same steps for all degree certificates. Enter your previous or current license information. Upload a copy of your license. Provide full details of employers for the last 5 years. Upload letters from employers. Repeat the same steps for all employment records from the past 5 years. Upload good standing certificate. Complete the declaration questions.
Click Next after completing all information.
Confirm the accreditation of all certificates.
Follow the next steps for the letter of authorization.
This is required in order to get the primary resource verification certificate.
Scan and upload the letter of authorization.
Submit and proceed to payment.
Go to the inbox and open the payment page.
Choose your method of payment and proceed to final payment confirmation. Log in again after 6 to 8 weeks or after your initial application has been approved. Click here to track your application. Copy the link of the Dataflow website. Go to the website. This is the payment page for the primary resource verification certificate. Enter your application reference number. Pay the primary resource verification fees. Select your preferred payment method. Log in again after 48 hours. Follow the next steps to select the assessment date. Follow the next steps if you are doing the Prometric assessment. This is your eligibility number. The number will be active after 5 working days from the issue date. Go to the Prometric website to book your assessment date. Click here. Complete each step, then click Next. Enter your eligibility number. Enter the first 4 characters of your last name. Search and select your closest test center. Select your preferred test date and time. Complete the form and click Next to proceed to payment. Go back to your home page and submit. Follow the next steps if you are doing the oral exam. click on Select Date. After you submit, proceed to payment. If you did the Prometric assessment, you will receive the result 3 working days after the test. If you did the oral assessment, you will receive the result 5 working days after the test. Log into your home page to check your result. If you passed the assessment, you will have to upload an offer letter and a malpractice insurance. If you failed the assessment, application is closed, and you will have to reapply with the same username and password. This is your eligibility letter. It is valid for 1 year after passing the assessment. Search the name of your employing facility. Upload your offer letter. Upload your malpractice insurance. Upload your medical fitness documents, if you are over 65. Submit, and wait 5 working days for documents verification. Log in after 5 working days and proceed to final payment. After the final payment, you will receive an email in order to collect.
Welcome to the Dataflow Group video guide to walk you through the process of completing your primary source verification application for the Dubai Health Authority. To begin, go to www.dataflowgroup.com and click on the Verification Services tab at the top of the page. Press Start your verification, then select Dubai Health Authority from the drop-down menu. Once you click on the Apply Now button, you will be directed to the DHA website. On the DHA website, click on the Issuing a New License for a Professional option. Read the service description, then click on the Access to the Service button to proceed. Under the User Guide section, click Sharian and carefully review the DHA instructions. For first-time registration, select the Register with Us button, complete the online application form, settle the DHA fee, then click the Submit tab. Upon submitting your application, it will be reviewed by the DHA Health Regulation Department, which may take up to 5 working days. Once approved, your application will be forwarded to the Dataflow Group for the initiation of the primary source verification process. Within 48 hours, you will receive an email from the Dataflow Group with details regarding the required fees. Click on the link in the email to settle your payment. Please note that within 48 hours from the date of payment, the Dataflow Group will forward your application to the DHA Health Regulation Department and initiate the verification process. Upon completion, the Dataflow Group will update the DHA with the result of your primary source verification. To track the status of your application, visit www.dataflowstatus.com. For any inquiries, you may contact us by clicking on the Support tab on the Dataflow Group website.